Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a super important topic, eye health. Our eyes are constantly exposed to blue light from screens, UV rays, and environmental stressors, so it's essential to take good care of them. While a healthy diet rich in vitamins and minerals is crucial, certain herbs have been scientifically shown to support eye health. Today, I'll share the best herbs for boosting your vision naturally and keeping your eyes in tip-top shape. Let's get into it. First on the list is bilberry, which is packed with powerful antioxidants known as anthocyanins. These antioxidants are believed to help protect the retina and improve night vision by reducing oxidative stress in the eyes. A 2015 study published in Phytotherapy Research found that bilberry extract helped reduce symptoms of eye fatigue and supported overall visual function. It's also known to protect against conditions like cataracts and macular degeneration, making it a must-have in your eye health toolkit. How to use? You can take bilberry in supplement form, or enjoy it as a tea or jam. Next up, we have Ginkgo Biloba, an ancient herb used for centuries to improve circulation. Better blood flow means more oxygen, and nutrients can reach your eyes, keeping them healthy. Studies show that Ginkgo Biloba may help in preventing or slowing down the progression of glaucoma and age-related macular degeneration. In fact, a clinical study published in the Journal of Glaucoma found that ginkgo improved visual function in patients with normal tension glaucoma. It's a powerful herb for protecting vision, especially as we age. How to use? Available in supplement form, ginkgo is often taken in capsule or liquid extract. As the name suggests, Eyebright has long been used in herbal medicine for eye health. This herb is traditionally used to soothe red, irritated, or strained eyes, and some research supports its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. A 2014 study in the Journal of Ethnopharmacology suggested that Eyebright extract may help protect the eyes from inflammation and oxidative stress, making it an excellent option for reducing eye strain, especially for those of us who are in front of screens all day. How to use? Eyebright is often used in eye drops or teas. You can find it in supplement form as well. Saffron is another powerful herb for eye health. This vibrant spice contains a high concentration of carotenoids, especially crocin and quercetin, which have been linked to protecting the retina and improving visual acuity. A groundbreaking study published in Evidence-Based Complementary and Alternative Medicine found that saffron supplementation could improve vision in people with early-stage age-related macular degeneration. It's also shown potential for enhancing retinal sensitivity. How to use? Saffron can be added to your diet through cooking or taken in supplement form. Just a small pinch in food can go a long way. Last but certainly not least is turmeric, which is well known for its anti-inflammatory benefits, thanks to the active compound curcumin. While turmeric is usually celebrated for joint health, studies suggest it can also benefit your eyes. A 2019 study in Scientific Reports found that curcumin may help delay or prevent cataract formation and protect the retina from oxidative damage. This makes turmeric a great addition to your eye health regimen, particularly for those concerned about long-term eye conditions. How to use? You can incorporate turmeric into your diet by adding it to meals or taking curcumin supplements. Here are a couple of additional tips for maintaining eye health. Wear UV-blocking sunglasses to protect your eyes from harmful sun exposure. Take regular screen breaks. The 20-20-20 rule is great. Every 20 minutes, look at something 20 feet away for at least 20 seconds. Eat a diet rich in lutein and zeaxanthin. These carotenoids, found in leafy greens like spinach and kale, are excellent for protecting your eyes from blue light. So there you have it, 5 powerful herbs that can help improve and protect your eye health naturally. Whether you're concerned about eye strain, aging eyes, or just want to keep your vision sharp, these herbs can give your eyes the boost they need. Make sure to consult with a healthcare professional before adding any new supplements to your routine, especially if you have any underlying health conditions. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more health and wellness tips. Also, let me know in the comments if you've tried any of these herbs, or if you have your own go-to remedies for eye health. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay healthy and take care of your eyes. Don't forget to check out the links below for my wellness journals and other helpful resources. See you in the next video.